Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with RealtyMogul, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with RealtyMogul, navigate to their official website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Next, select your user type. Choose between being an accredited investor or a non-accredited investor. After selecting your user type, read the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive an email confirmation with a verification link. Open your email and locate the message from RealtyMogul. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once you click the link, you will be redirected back to RealtyMogul. Log in using the email and password you created earlier. After logging in, complete your investor profile. Fill out the additional information requested, such as your investment experience and financial details. Review all the information for accuracy before submitting. Once completed, click the Submit button. You may be required to provide documentation to verify your investor status. Follow the instructions to upload any necessary documents. Wait for a confirmation regarding your investor status. Once approved, you will gain access to investment opportunities. Explore the platform to find potential investments that interest you. You are now ready to start investing with RealtyMogul. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.